Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can delete a folder with its contents. Just to remind you one thing which is most important. In Python, deleting an empty folder is quite different with deleting a folder which contains some contents. And this is my intention of teaching you on how you can remove or you can delete a folder with its content. So to make this task easy, let's start by creating a new file, right? So I name the file that delete dir.py, then I save it, right? Something like this. So after that, I need to import shart il, right? Then after shart il dot rm remove tree, then I pass the name of a file of a folder I want to delete. The name of folder is motechapp. Let me save, right? Then let me show you one more thing. This is a folder I want to delete, is named motechapp, right? So after learning this file Python script, I hope motechapp folder will no longer exist. So let me learn this file, then let me learn this Python script. Delete dir.py, right? Boom. Now if we come back to our main folder, we can see motechapp folder is no longer existing. So actually that is an end of our tutorial on how to delete a folder which contain different contents. Just to remind you, or just to put a short summary of what we have learned how to delete a folder with its content in Python by using shart il. Thanks for watching. That is an end. Do not forget to like, put comment, share, and subscribe for next tutorials. Thank you. See you in the next tutorials.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.